Okay guys, welcome back. Nice to see you all. Here we are at Paddington at Prince Street. Just showing you how far the man's got with all his work since we've been here. As he's got it almost ready for sheeting to put the internal lining in. So here's the garage. You can actually see everything now. You can see all the rooms. Couldn't see it in the last video. There's the entry, and of course that's going to be the stairs. So we go through. Here's the official door. Through here. Yep. And down the hallway. Out the back you can already see one of the portal frames we put in. Portal frame posts. So we go through and look at that. Huge open area. These are only temporary stairs, they're going. Then you go past, there's a cupboard here. There's a room there and a room there. That's the pantry, actually, that one there. Go through, here's the kitchen. See? Pantry. Big concertina windows, a bench, servery. Out there to the pool. Look at this, there's that big wind frame. You can see the brace. I just spent 3/4 of a day putting holes for the electrician through all these posts. Hard to do after the posts, the timber's on. All right, at the back, here's this big concrete filled piers going up to the top there, where we've got that big 300 sea channel going across. So you can't see anymore, it's all encased. And yeah, I'll get out here. How far can I get? It's hard to get out here, it's all scaffolded. A big window up there. There's that 300 sea channel going across the top there, 300 there. That's that big portal frame, that's to hold all that and brace all that. Got this big door at the back, big window. And look at that, look how huge it is, all out there. Then he's got that open area up there. Looks great. That beam that's going up there to hold the roof. The beam here. We put a stud in the middle, a post, because that beam just wasn't big enough. Knew it wasn't. Knew that on the engineering, but we couldn't get anything bigger in there. And you didn't want the post, but yeah, had to go in there to stop bounce and stop the thing from causing a problem during a storm. And we've had some good storms recently. But there's that portal frame. Look at that. It's brilliant. He's done a great job. And then of course upstairs, he brought the roof right through over there. He's already got the solar power on the roof. Got all that up there. And it's getting internal lining in a couple of weeks. And he starts on the external shortly. But that's great. You see that window up there to give light into this room. Fantastic what he's done. It looks great. Alrighty. Thought I'd show you that. It's very rare that I get back into a house at this stage. You know, usually never see it again after I've done the stuff. So nice to see. Alright guys, hope that was worth having a look at. Hilton does a great job when he does work. He's done quite a few multi-million-dollar ones. The last big one we did for him was the one at Ascot, which we have plenty of videos on that you'll see on the channel. So yeah, have a look at that. But no, very, very good work. He does brilliant work. Very, how would you say, bit of a flair to get it all right. Okay, I'll stop talking guys and talk to you again soon. See ya, bye.